Welcome back, guys. Like, subscribe, hit that notification. Today, Ireland got B7. What
Brand new.
You excited?
Yeah.
Well, brand new release, you meant. Obviously, brand new.
Well, yeah.
Go ahead, open it up. So people said some kids were missing stuff, huh?
Well, it was just the first batch. They might have something missing or something.
It's funny. It just seemed like yesterday you got your B64.
I know.
No, I got B64.
Oh, snap.
Oh, the tower has numbers written on it. Why?
Part number, maybe?
Is it actually on the tower? Is it a serial number? That's weird.
Yeah.
So what bag number is that?
Bag 6.
6. So it's all your...
Shock tower. The spur.
Just all kinds
Wing
of
mount.
supports.
Just,
and
yeah.
stuff. It looks like arms.
The arms.
What bag number is that?
Number 2.
The front arm? Oh, back arms?
Yeah,
the
there.
fronts. I like how it's a little bit... was the B6 kit like this when you assembled it?
It was pretty clean like this, yeah.
That many bags like that? Like, I feel like they're doing... Oh, there's the diff.
New differential. Say it's an all new design or something.
Gear diff, right?
Yeah. Turnbuckles.
No, not the... Well, yeah, there they are. Bearings.
All the bearings, yeah.
Steering parts and bulkhead parts and ball.
All the good stuff.
Oil.
Oils and grease and stuff.
You get 3 different oil weight. Shocks. Shock body. So these are the big bore like the B64.
Yeah, those
Probably the
13. Yeah.
What bag is that?
This bag 9. Dog bones. Rear hub assembly looks like. Yeah.
Let me see. Turn it back around.
Bag 7.
They're CVs, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. Not dog bones.
Well,
I know. I'm just kidding.
the body looks nice. It looks a little different.
Let me feel. Oh,
It's
oh
heavy.
wow, it's not real thin. Okay. I don't know. Maybe it's the same as 6.4, but it feels.
6.4 had like a this fin.
The
is
body
different. Yeah, a
differentiates a
little,
little bit.
little different shape.
There's your
Wing.
back wing, front wing,
Front wing.
chassis. Well, what's the?
Oh yeah. Oh, the front
hubs.
Yeah. Front brace or not brace. And the chassis.
This is one.
Oh, it
I'm
looks a little
excited-
different. Yeah.
Yeah, this is one I'm
The
excited
chassis
to
shape
see.
is different. The front.
Yeah, well, the
The design.
ESC sits more further up, doesn't it?
I think so.
More stickers, body stuff.
Yeah. Manual instructions.
Pretty cool.
Yep.
All right, B7 unboxing. Are you super excited, dude?
I am very excited.
What electronics are you gonna run?
I'm gonna soup it up with the
Hobby
Hobby
Wing?
Wing stuff. Yeah.
Just like usual.
Yeah.
I mean, I like the old black box stuff, but it's times is.
Yeah.
Changed.
Tiny new electronic. Yeah.
Cool.
Using the same ones for a while.
All right, like, subscribe, hit the notification. The open box of the new Associated B7. Peace out.
See you later.